Alright, so today is Friday the 17th of February, and this is geometry, and we are working on writing equations of circles using the method of completing the square. So first of all, if you look at problem number 1, since you have components on both sides of the equation, before you begin you should move everything to one side. Move everything to the left. You want to move it to the left and not to the right, because the x here is positive. When you move this y to the left, it also is going to be positive. If you moved everything to the right, both the y is going to be negative and the x squared is going to be negative. You don't want that. You want them all to be positive. Those two anyway to be positive. Okay? So you're going to start by moving everything to the left. When you move everything to the left, you're going to have this statement. You're going to have 8x plus x squared minus 2y minus 64 plus y squared equals 0, right? Equals 0. Then you've got to put it in the right order. You've got to put it in the right order. The x has got to be next to the x's, the y has got to be next to the y's. So you're going to start off with the x. So you're going to have x squared plus 8x plus y squared minus 2y minus 64 equals 0. Once it's in this particular format, now you can start completing the square. Move your constant back over to the right. Figure out what you're going to add to this, figure out what you're going to add to that, and set up your equation. But you have to start by moving this over to the left. Okay? On each one of these, they're all that way. Okay? They're all that way. And then you got to write the equation of the circle. If you look at number 7, this is already set up, ready for you to write the equation of the circle, and so is number 8. Number 9, this is an equation of a circle. Okay? What we want to know, if you look here, we want to know the new equation of the circle. The new equation of the circle after this circle here is translated 4 units to the left and 2 units up. 4 units to the left, 2 units up. So how do I do that? Well, I got to know what the center of the circle is, right? Center of the circle is what?
0, 3.
Center of the circle on number 9 is what?
Negative 16 or 16, 6.
16, 6. 16, 6. That's this circle. So you're going to take the center of that circle and you're going to translate it 4 units to the left and 2 units up. So on a graph, just think moving it 4 units to the left and 2 units up. So if I do that and I move this 4 units left, what's my new x? If the original one was 16.
20.
What? To the left.
That's x minus 12.
To the left. It's going to be 12, right? Because I'm moving it to the left 4. So it's going to be 12. What's my new y? Because it's 2 units up. So the new center of my circle is going to be at the point 12, 8. Does my radius change? No, I still have the same circle. Radius doesn't change. Still the same. I can write the equation of the circle. Okay? And if you look at the bottom two, you have a circle in both cases. They don't show you where the middle is. David. Woo-hoo. Thank you. They don't show you where the center is, but you've got to find it. It's in the middle. Find the middle. That's where the center of the circle is. Find the radius. Once you find the center, you find the radius, then write the equation of the circle. Okay? Not a lot of homework, but these top 6 problems will take you some time. You want to make sure that you are putting these top 6 on a separate piece of paper, because you do not have the room on this to do that. Okay? Any questions? Yes, Kate?
Wait, never mind.
Any questions? Okay, this is just the assignment. It's going to be due Tuesday. And on Tuesday, you're gonna have to take the test on equations of circles and retest on the area of a sector of a circle and the length of an arc of a circle. I gave you back your test. You can see which ones you got wrong. Try to do those over again before you come in on Monday, and we're good. Okay? Thank you.